Hello, welcome to ZilicusPM video guide. In this video, we will see how to log time against project activities, how to submit your leave plan to project managers. Many organizations are particular about tracking time, because they believe unless employee time is tracked, it will not be able to understand exact time spent, time invested and cost incurred. It is also important for undertaking productivity measures. Entering time against project tasks is quite simple in ZilicusPM. Just log on to your ZilicusPM account, you will be able to see tasks pending on your name. Say you want to log time against solution architecture document, click on log time link here. It will pop up a small window, log time for task. By default you will see current weekdays in the calendar. Specify whether time being tracked is billable or not, whether overtime or not. Now to enter time, say 2 hours on Monday, enter 2 in this cell. You will also see a comment box. You can enter day-specific comment for a given task. This comment can be used for yourself or for project manager or for client information purpose. As you finish entering time for different days for current task, you can click on Save button to save your timesheet entry. In a given week, you can save timesheet entries for multiple tasks across different project. To submit your saved timesheet entry, you will click on Timesheet table. Another way to access timesheet entries is checking for a specific week's pending timesheet list on homepage. Please note that to access Timesheet tab, the Timesheet module needs to be enabled by your ZilicusPM account administrator. When you will click on Timesheet tab, you will be able to see calendar on left side panel, My Timesheet Reports, Approval Reports, Leaves Time Off Report, and Time Off Approval Report. Main window shows week-specific timesheet data and menus to enter and update timesheet. You can select desired week to enter timesheet from a calendar displayed on left side. You can see the selected week's dates on right. To add project activity, click on Add Project Activity button here. It will pop up Add Project, Activities to Timesheet window. By default system will list activities that have been scheduled in that week. Showing activities scheduled in a specified week makes it a lot easier for team member to enter time and to keep up with planned efforts. You can click on the tick box to select desired task or click on Select Project Choice to select other activities which are not listed here. Select desired project from the drop-down list. Please note, system will prompt only those projects to which you have access. Again, when you select desired project, system will show only those tasks that are assigned to you in that project. Along with task name, system prompts you with remaining time number. It is an useful field that informs us how much more time is still left to report as compared to planned time. For example, if a task is planned for 10 hours, and 4 hours are already entered for that task, system will show us that another 6 hours of work is remaining for this task. Actually, it may require more than 6 hours or even less than that, but system keeps me informed that how much time effort project manager has estimated for this activity for me. You can select desired tasks by tick marking them. You can very well select project issues and project risks by tick marking on issue summary or risk summary. And click on Add button. You can select tasks, issues and risk from different project in the same week. All selected tasks, issues, risks and ad hoc times can be seen in the Unsaved Timesheet window like this. You will be able to see project name, followed by task name or issue name or risk name. By default, tasks are selected as billable whereas issues are selected as non-billable. You can also distinguish between issue, risk against tasks by looking at icons here or estimated and remaining hours as shown in the last column. As you would enter time, comments for each selected tasks, system will calculate total hours for that task in a given week as well as sum total for a given day across all tasks, as well as sum total of all tasks for a given week. To confirm your logged hours, click on Submit button. To update and submit later, click on Save. To cancel and discard changes, click on Cancel button. After you click on Submit, Depending on whether timesheet approval is configured to be automatic approval or manual approval by project manager, it will get auto-approved or will be pending for project manager's approval, respectively. If you would have noticed, one can submit timesheet entries against multiple tasks from different projects in the same week. You do not have to submit different timesheet for different project. As you can see, just submitted timesheet will appear in submitted report listing. Once this timesheet gets approved, it will get listed under approved report page. Similarly, you can track weekly timesheet entries which are rejected or reopened. If you have to update timesheet entries, system will check for status of the timesheet entry whether it is merely saved or submitted or approved. Depending on timesheet entry's status, you can follow different steps to update, delete or add entries in weekly timesheet. Please refer online help guide for more details. The timesheet approval section can be accessed by project managers where one can check pending approvals of timesheet entries as well as timesheet approved by me or logged in user. Time off. Zilicus users can apply for leave in advance, and once leave is approved, system will take those days as not available days for scheduling purpose. To apply for leave, click on Unsubmitted page and click on Add New Timey Off. Select appropriate timey off type from the drop-down, select time off start date, due date, indicate whether half or full day for start date or end date of leave. To apply for leave or time off will also have to provide reason or note about leave. Click on Save, Submit or Cancel. Depending on configuration done in admin screen, the leave application will either be auto-approved by system or it will go through manual approval process. In case of manual approval process, once you submit your leave application, the notification will be sent to your reporting to manager. Your manager, as configured in ZilicusPM based on reporting structure, will be able to view your leave application in My Pending Approvals screen. You must keep in mind that once your time off application is approved, dates of time off will be excluded from planning purpose for any new tasks that will be assigned to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit zilicus.com for more information.